Welcome to the phenomena of light. So, exploring how the light behaves in nature and daily life. So, in this lesson, we are going to describe the different light phenomena, explain how different light phenomena occur, and relate the properties of light to different natural phenomena. So the different light phenomena, sinasabi natin that light is a form of energy that travels in waves and allow us to see objects. It has important properties such as number one is reflection. Reflection, number two is refraction, three is dispersion, four is diffraction, and scattering. So these are the properties explain the many natural phenomena we observe every day. So every day nakikita natin itong mga phenomena. So number one, isa-isahin natin. For number one is reflection. So ito yung lesson natin for the lesson week. So reflection happen when light bounces back after hitting the surface. So example for this one is yung nakikita natin yung image natin in the mirror. Okay, so that is reflection. And number two, we have here the refraction. So ang refraction occurs when light bends as it passes from one medium to another, like like air to water. So mapapansin nyo, in a glass of water, meron itong water at eto yung bottle. Makikita nyo na hindi siya pantay. So, ito yung tinatawag nating refraction. So, as a ball can appearing bent in a glass of water. Kasi, ang light dito sa air ay mabilis, pero pagpasok ng light dito sa water ay mabagal. Kaya siya nagkakaroon ng bend. And that is called refraction because of the medium of the water. Next, we have here dispersion. So, on dispersion naman happen when light split into different colors. So, dispersion ay kapag ang white light ay na-split into a different color because each color bends differently. So, ito yung tinatawag natin. Kaya ang example natin dito is rainbow kasi ito yung water droplet natin. So, madaming mga water droplet tayong makikita after rain. So, ibig sabihin, kapag yung sunlight nag-hit yun sa mga water droplet na yun, ang ipoproduce niya ay iba't ibang kulay. Kaya nakikita natin yung rainbow after that rain. So that is the dispersion. White light splits into different colors. Next one, we have here the diffraction. So diffraction is the spreading of the light waves when they pass through the small opening or around the obstacle. So makikita natin ang diffraction ay meron daw pattern form. So ito yung sample ng diffraction natin. Ito yun. Ito pala. Okay? Sa diffraction, pattern form when light passes through the narrow gaps. Yun po yung ating diffraction. Next is the scattering. So scattering occur when light is spread in different directions. So spread siya in different direction, particles in the air. So usually ang example dito is the sky appear blue because the blue light is scattered more than the other colors. So meron tayo dito sa scattering yan. So ang nag-scatter daw with a different direction ng mga particles in the air ay yung kulay blue. That is called the scattering. Light and natural phenomena, eto, so ang rainbow natin usually caused by refraction. Okay, nagkakos din siya ng refraction, reflection, and dispersion of sunlight in rainbow. So, okay, so pwede din, etong mga phenomena to, pwedeng mag-cause ng rainbow. And then yung blue sky natin, usually the blue sky caused by scattering of sunlight in the atmosphere. Ito nga yung nangyayari na scattering. Kaya tayo nagkakaroon ng blue sky. Mirage caused by refraction due to temperature of the differences air. Kapag magkakaiba yung temperature ng air, kapag mainit at kapag malamig, so nagkakaroon tayo ng tinatawag na mirage. And then of course, meron tayong tinatawag na halos around the moon and the sun. It is also caused by refraction through the ice crystal. Nagkakaroon din siya ng refraction, kaya nagkakaroon ng halos around the sun and nagkakaroon ng bending of the light. So the light properties help us understand this amazing natural event. So kaya natin so etong mga phenomena na to ang nangyayari kaya pala merong mga rainbow, kaya pala merong mga blue sky, may mga mirage because of the light and the natural phenomena. So for the quiz, eto na, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this one is identification. Okay, thank you. Thank you for listening.